How can we implement them? You can see in Addis Ababa, if you have got good leadership, good policy, and commitment to change, things can happen very rapidly. So I think let us put our money where our mouth is to change Africa for the better. Secondly, it is known that unity is strength. The whole purpose of creating the African Union was to maximize on our numbers and our resources and our size of the continent, so that the continent as a whole moves forward. Nobody is left behind. And now, of course, now you can see what is happening in the DRC. It really undermines the purpose of African unity, that our resources are being used by people who disorganize our societies, and we must come together to stop that. If we do not, then we shall only be speaking and not doing something to change our continent.
What was your key highlight in the morning session out of all those addresses made by the speakers?
I think my key highlight, the thing about the Palestinians, because it is key. It is key, it is urgent. It shows solidarity with struggling people. And you know, the Palestinians are very productive people. Given a chance in their own homeland, they will do a lot to the third world. So I think that disruption of Palestine is not only an injury to Palestinians, it is an injury to the whole of the third world, struggling to get out of the oppression by the imperialism and neo-imperialism in our two societies, Africa and the Middle East.
Thank you so much, Governor Peter Anyang Nyong'o there, the governor of Kisumu, just part of the delegation, both from Kenya and also the African delegation, that has camped here in Addis Ababa. I'll allow you to leave, Governor. Thank you so much. And you know what? We had one, Stephen Leto Kipruto, who was part and parcel of, the delegates. Leto, you almost thought you were ahead of state because you are sitting so close in the plenary.